From there, we are going to look at the advantages of a monogamous marriage. Do you know of any monogamous marriage? I thought all marriages, most of them are monogamous. It's one wife, one husband. What do you think are the advantages of a monogamous marriage, whereby it's only one wife and one husband? Yes? The what? The needs. Yes, the needs are met. Yes, because you can only cater to that one wife. Another advantage of being only married to one husband, or you have only one wife, what is another advantage? Security is enhanced. If you're taking care of one woman, you can always ensure they're safe. But if you have 10, how will you protect all of them from all those other people? Or you have 2. It is also hard to protect 2. Because maybe they live in different areas, so here security is enhanced. It also eases the wrangles, the fighting that can occur. There's no... because you are 2 people who are coming together to agree on a few aspects. How many children you're going to have, how you're going to ensure that your family has all the basic needs. It's only 2 minds which are coming together to ensure all these things are going on. Therefore, when you're talking about wrangles, we don't have so many disagreements. You agree easily. Then it is very easy to achieve complete faithfulness, because you're only supposed to be faithful to one person. Very easy. Compared to someone who marries a second wife. If someone marries a second wife, can marry other 3. That is what I believe. Because if you've seen another person, that means you can see others. And if you have a second wife, that means you have other 3 or 4 concubines. Why not? Because you saw another person from your initial wife. So here it is easy to achieve complete faithfulness, because you're only faithful to one person. It also provides a peaceful environment. A peaceful environment, because you can only deal with the issues of one wife, or if you can... he has a feeling of unsatisfaction, you can be able to cater to that, because it's only one person and the few children that you have. And then it is only in a monogamous marriage where you experience undivided love. It is only one wife that you can love, only that one wife. But now if you have 4, how are you going to divide the love? One will always feel that you don't love them what? Fully. And they will be counting, especially those who are married to one husband and they are different women. They always feel you've overstayed in someone's house. Where were you yesterday? You bought this one a dress, you never bought me a dress. Someone's children have what? You've done something for them, and my children have not experienced the same. So they feel that they don't have the love that from the husband is undivided. What is another advantage of monogamous marriage? Providing for the family is what? Very easy. It's only one wife. It's very easy to provide for one wife and the children that you have. But if you have 2 or 3, I told you if you can get 2, you can easily get 3 or 4. And that will be a challenge to provide for them, because all of them have different requirements. And most of the time, you know that the head of the family, who is the husband, is supposed to do what? To provide to the family and to the wife. Also, it reduces the chances of being infected with HIV/AIDS. It reduces the chances, because in Christianity, we believe that you should be faithful to your what? To your husband or to your wife. So you're not getting sexually in contact with other people. But in a polygamous marriage, you see, you have different what? Wives. And let's say one of the wives has what? HIV. Automatically you will spread to the other what? Wives. So here it reduces a lot of chances of being infected with HIV/AIDS. And also there are no disagreements between the children. Because most of the time, how many can you get if you only have one wife? Who do you know that has many children? How many do they have with one wife? Do you know of any woman who bore more than 10 children? No, you cannot go beyond that. Even the body does not allow. So the children here, it reduces their delinquency. From there,